Talk about Keap. It's going to change your life. Keap is a sales and marketing automation tool that helps you collect more leads, convert more clients, and create more fans.
Hey there.
Yeah?
I already have stuff that does that. Email marketing, appointment tools, etc.
But getting them to work together is a pain. Keap does it automatically.
I got my own process. I switch things up, I lose sales.
Your process is unsustainable, Terry. You haven't slept in 3 days. Terry!
That is working.
I'm too busy and important to just move things over to some new platform and learn how to use it.
Well, that's the magic of Keap, Johnny. They offer one-on-one coaching where they show you exactly how to use the platform to achieve your growth goals.
Show me what to do.
So if I want to get more leads?
Keap automatically brings their information from your website or social media into your CRM.
What if I want better leads?
Keap identifies who's most likely to buy, then sends automated emails and moves them through your marketing funnel while you're at your kid's soccer game.
Wait. That was today?
I don't want my clients getting cookie cutter emails. My emails have personality.
That's wonderful. Keap's advanced automations let you segment clients a bunch of different ways, by activity, preferences, likeliness to buy, so every interaction feels like it's coming from your special personality.
That sounds great. But business is about closing. How do I get to yes?
Keap's sales pipeline sends follow-ups, schedules appointments, and creates tasks for your team automatically. No more leads slipping through the cracks.
So I've got this problem where people don't always pay me on time, or ever.
Keap automatically sends quotes, invoices, and payment reminders.
How about after the sale? I specialize in generating repeat customers.
Well, Keap creates more repeat business by sending automated thank you messages, loyalty offers, and even asking for referrals.
I like it.
Yeah, these are great and all, but what about more strategic goals? Like, I'm thinking of selling some of my pre-owned rompers.
Your growth expert will craft a personalized playbook that'll show you exactly how to make that happen.
Whoa.
It's not just about automation. It's about using automation to grow your business in the best way possible. Keap can help, so get in touch.
How'd you get that cool screen, by the way?
We're in a product video. You didn't pick up on that? Or?
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Well, we were watching what is Keap, what we were talking about. Well, this guy was talking about Keap, right? So I guess he explained in detail, right? Yeah, what else can I say? So I just will give you my link down below, guys, for you to get a big discount when it comes to Keap. Yes, so I hope you liked, well, the video of this guy. That was awesome. And yeah, subscribe if you like my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.